Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access General. Following that, tap on About section at the top and tap on Name. Now you can finally type in wherever you wish to, in my case Sunny. And to save your new name, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my iPhone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!